By the cover. Hi. No may cover ani day?
Saan ang phone na?
Samsung.
Samsung S. Pwede lang tayo na to settings mo.
Okay. Web sa akong hi day. Hi sa akong TV.
Hi! Hi ma!
Si ngalan?
Rachel.
Rachel.
S21 Ultra Dye.
Na day?
Na.
Okay day. Pili unsik. Lamay blue ana or nani nga color? I buy the for the cellphone day.
Clear. Na item ni flower.
Okay.
Apay try ma'am.
Sige. Unsa mo tayo mag-open diri day?
One start to open. 9 ma'am.
9?
6.
9 a.m.
Yes ma'am.
and close
6 p.m.
6 p.m. By the way, where you from?
I'm from Bacau.
Bakong? Ah, I see. How old are you?
19 years old.
19. How many months you working here?
Start pa lang ko ma'am. Karon bago pa akong start yesterday
Like
pa.
2 days?
Yesterday pa siya.
Yesterday? Oh, wow. Ikaw?
1 year na ko doon.
1 year? Wow, congrats. Diyan ni Day?
299 ma'am.
299?
280 last price.
Okay, have discount guys. Thank you.
Sige po.
Okay, new opening? Bagong abre?
Opo.
Oh. What kind of the cellphone? Samsung?
Samsung, Oppo, Vivo, Redmi.
Any cellphone? Oh, okay. What time for the open?
April.
April? Oh. I mean, what time for the open?
6.
6 a.m. and then?
9 a.m. to 6 p.m. 6 p.m.
Oh, okay. By the way, what's your name again?
Claire.
Claire and Gisa. Okay. Where are you from?
Bye.
Bais? Ikaw? Bais? Neighbor? Wow. Nice to meet you. Balik na ko niya, ha? Ever Mall, guys. Ever Mall. And they have the second floor there side. So I come here for fixing the cell phone. So I waiting that 12 o'clock. It's working now, guys. Look, the cell phone. Here in Ever Mall. That's the name of the shop. So now I buy the cover of the cell phone. The Ever Mall, guys. Their side. For the default cell phone for the cheap. So I will back well known. So now I will go to the boss coffee. Just and see you there, guys. Plaza. Le Plaza, guys. Le Plaza like a mall. Their side, but I'm not going the inside. Only peeping the outside. And Jollibee. Here is Choking and McDonald's. There's the road. So I will go in. I will try in Ever Mall for the cell phone. Here is the entrance for going to the Ever Mall. Entrance. Ever Mall. I will try here for the cell phone repair. Today, guys, today is Tuesday. So their side in the downtown not really traffic, but their side little traffic. Where the store Shein. the cell phone for the cell shop because my the default cell phone is broke, so I will buy their side. Hello, it's friendly guys. Guys for video and a little talking for the sales lady for the cell phone and their side close and ever mall. So now I will go to the Goose Coffee and see you there guys. Goose Coffee, my favorite coffee shop. Here's the decor, the haircut. That is coffee shop guys. Oh, you look new haircut. That is for new haircut guys. You look young. You look 40 years. I did 40.
I look younger than you.
That's true.
Why am I with this old lady?
How much the haircut?
How are you doing, Mom? Where's the phone at, Mom? You're breaking.
How much the haircut?
250.
Good. Nice.
Shave.
Yeah. Enjoy.
Yes.
Nice. Perfect. How many hours?
45 minutes.
Now it's going to the Mercury. It's Mercury drugstore in public market. So let's go the inside. Oh, thank you. We're buying the medicine. It's crowded. I called it the number. Drugstore. It's done for Mercury. Yes, the other side waiting. The bicycle, yeah. Nice, I'm very Mango rods, look. Look the people guys. Their side. See? It's good the weather. It's good for the walk. You see guys? There the people guys. So see you there guys. I think that is the people for walking here in Mingurad for taking picture. There's the building. It's so nice. Oops. So that's it guys. And see you there in the inside in Mingurad. George Steakhouse. The name of the restaurant. Let's go.
How are you? Nice to see you again.
If I going their side in the back, that is my sister living. So hard to find. If you're shortcut. So see you there guys in my father I visit. So the weather today is good. So that's my sister living here. Here in Dumaguete, Dalan. Abot? My father guys.
Puno ka mo mula, ibarik na puko.
Kalakalan ka pa?
Kaya kinay.
Tindog ka no? Tindog ka? I will try guys, my father for
Dilik ka lang tao, dilik magsungko dahil.
stand up.
Lakaw,
Sige, laka ko no?
Kinay.
Kinay, slowly walk. Wala na, exercise. So before I going home guys, I will stop here in Mexican tapos I I buy for the chicken beef tacos and burritos. So, the other. My order guys, 395. Kasi mga landay?
Abi po.
Thank you. Guys, I'm home. Yippee, he don't know. Yippee? You don't know? It's mommy. I'm home. Hi, baby. Where's Dada?